So hi everyone, today I'm in Goa for a very beautiful meditation retreat. So let me tell you today a very interesting story. Imagine there's a jungle and there's a lion there and there's a deer. Now the lion spots the deer and says, "Wow, my breakfast is ready," while the deer is very scared and wants to run away for his life. Now both of them go into a state of fight and a flight response, which leads to release of hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Now adrenaline increases the heart rate, blood pressure, so that both of them can fight or run, and the cortisol leads to increase in the blood sugar levels so that the muscles have now great energy to either fight or run. Now after some time, either the lion wins and the flight and fight response ends, or the deer runs away, then also the fight and flight response ends. So it's a temporary fight and a flight response. But we as human beings are in a state of constant fight and a flight response, which leads to constantly high levels of adrenaline and cortisol, leading to new age illnesses like diabetes, hypertension, stress, hormonal imbalance, infertility, and a lot more. So what we need to do is constantly make an effort to move away from the fight and flight response to rest and repair response.